If you've ever wondered what to take with you on your trip to Disney, here is what I personally take. I've got 7 pairs of shorts, my hat, 6 pairs of pants, 15 shirts, sleepwear, my hoodie, and of course I've got different pairs of shoes. I have 3 different pairs, but I will be taking with me, so that if I have a malfunction, a pair of shoes tears up, they get wet, what have you, I can change it out very easily and very quickly. So I hope this answered your question as to what you should take on the trip. And until tomorrow, have a good day and get out and live your next adventure.